Hello and welcome back to So You Want to Learn How to Crochet. My name is Mandy and I'm going to show you a way to put your granny squares together. This is actually the second video. I have one where you can put it together with slip knots, and with this one we're just going to be using a regular single crochet to put it together. I mean, if you want to have like a border in between each of your squares, I mean, this would actually be pretty cool because you see how it's raised up. Make it a different color, contrast. But I'm going to show you how to do that. These are just some granny squares that I had. I had made a smiley face afghan and I just had some left over. So, thought I'd use these to show you. I mean, there again, we're going to go, you can see that in the corner, this is your corner, right here. We're going to go right in this stitch, right up here. Right there. And we're going to actually, now make sure you go through both of the little things. Make sure you have your two, because you know that's my pet peeve, is to have the two on top. And you're going to go through this one the same way, through that same hole right there, and you're just going to do a single crochet. I'm trying to get my yarn situated here. Okay, and then we're just going to do this. Wrap it, pull it through, wrap it, and pull it through again. And there's a single crochet. Now you're just going to go on through again through the very next chain, stick it all the way through, and in the second one you're going to stick it all the way through, wrap it, pull it through, wrap it again, and pull it all the way through. And that's pretty much all you do. You stick it in, and at this point you should be on the third double crochet. I'm trying to right here, the third double crochet. Let me stick it through this one. That was for that corner. Let's see, are we on the third one? Yeah, it looks like I kind of pulled a little too tight with that one, but we are on the third one. I got messed up somehow. So, right there. Wrap and pull through. And right here, make sure that you are getting the where you chained one in between. Make sure you're getting in there, getting those and tacking those together as well. And just do your double crochet. Now it will again show through on this side, and you will have a nice border if you use the single crochet to put your granny squares together. I mean, this is an easy way to put them together. It doesn't take that long to put them together. I would love to see some that you're working on. It would be pretty cool if I could see it. Then I'd love to. I'd if you have any questions, I'd love to try and help you if possible. Just hit that like button down below and leave me a little comment. And I want to say thank you for watching, and happy crochet.